Here's how you can track time by using Toggl Track. If you work a lot on your PC, Toggl Track is the best thing for you because it would help you track your time in all the courses that you do. In order to use this, first of all, go onto your Google browser, or it can be any browser that you're using, and search for toggl.com. You'll be redirected to the Toggl Track website. You can click on the login option from the top right corner or just select start tracking for free. You'll be redirected to the page where you can sign up and get tracking. You can add your email address and click on sign up for free, or just sign up with your Google account or your Apple account. If you already have an account, click on log into an existing account. Now you'll be redirected to the main workspace where you'll have a lot of the options. You'll see a calendar in front of you. This is where you can time all the tasks that you want to do. For example, just click on any time that you want to do a task at. Like I'm going to do from 3:45 p.m. to 4 p.m. I'm going to, let's just say, finish my work. As you can see, it is a 15-minute time and you can click on add to add it to your calendar. I'm just going to do another one like from 4:45 p.m. to 5 p.m. again 15 minutes, and let's just say I have a meeting and click on add. Now you have a couple of tasks to do. What you'll need to do now is click on the play option from the top right of your corner and your timer will start ticking. This way you can keep track of how much time you're putting in on every work that you're doing. You'll be able to see the timer if you're on any other tab so that you can keep a deep track of your time. Once the timer runs out, it will give you an alarm and then you'll know that your time to do that work is over. That is how you can easily track your time by using Toggl Track. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you find this helpful and want to see more like this, just subscribe and like this video.